If you have done the very best you can, worrying won't make it any better. If you want to be successful, respect one rule. Only you and you alone can change your situation. Don't blame it on anything or anyone. I get a friend to travel with me. I need somebody to bring me back to who I am. It's hard to be alone. Wrong connection will give you shock throughout your life, but the right one will light up your life. My friends, this body, perhaps more than any other gathering in human history, now faces that difficult task. Protecting our future on this planet depends on the conscious evolution of our species. Don't think for a moment that I am really like any of the characters I have played. I am not. That's why it's called acting. To believe in love, to be ready to give up anything for it, to be willing to risk your life for it, is the ultimate tragedy. If you can do what you do best and be happy, you are further along in life than most people. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich. Promise me you will survive. That's you won't give up, no matter what happens, no matter how hopeless. Anywhere you go, desire is desire. The sun cannot bleach it, nor the tide wash it away. I just feel like anyone tries to do something different, but you always wind up doing the same damn thing. Kill them with success and bury them with a smile.